The spoon is bigger than the frosty, so.
No, I meant like the frosty, the size of the frosty is pretty big. I just like that one. I can look it up on my phone. Oh my god.
Legion 3490, contact Great Lakes, departure, good day. Departure, good day, Legion 3490.
Mommy, is that one landing?
No, I think that's the one we just watched take off. Here, I'll look right now.
Come on. Mommy, I think that one's a private jet.
Nope.
Mommy, is that one a private jet? No, that one.
Maybe?
And I know that one's a new airplane.
It could be like a private business.
Does that say FedEx?
Are you talking about that one?
No, that's the one that's like that.
No, that's
Sabre 5390, turn left at Bravo. Bravo Delta Echo depart, monitor ground point 8. Bravo Delta Echo depart, monitor ground point 8, Endeavor 5390. Traffic 12 to 1 o'clock, 4 miles eastbound, Cirrus level at 5,000. Contact Great Lakes departure, good day. Yes, 59.
this one.
Oh, this spoon is long. Why?
I think Siri can get that.
Come on! Oh, we're gonna keep an eye out for Uncle Eddie's.
Turn left at Alpha 1, contact ground point 8. Alpha 1, ground 8, you have a great day, American 1384. Good afternoon, Top 590, visual 8 right. Legion 48 grams an hour, fly runway heading, runway 17, take off, 5 mile right, 8 stop 17, runway heading, Legion 48. West 590 grand up, it's an hour, 10507, runway 8 right, set line. Runway 8 right, Southwest 590. Shake 5614, turn right direct, Chardon, Charlie, X-ray, Romeo, contact Great Lakes, departure, good day. Direct Chardon and departure from Street 5614. flight 1369, turn left at Alpha 1, taxi Bravo, Victor depart. Alpha 1, Bravo, and what was the Victor again for flight 1369? For flight 1369, taxi via Bravo, Victor depart. Victor depart, French flight 1369. 90874 Grand Rapids Tower, wind 0907, runway 8 left, clear to land. 04, 8 left, clear to land. Number 781, Juliet Hotel Grand Rapids Tower, Roger, hold short, runway 17. Hold short, 17, 781 Juliet.
Remember when
3167, contact Great Lakes, departure, good day. Departure, good day, American 3167. 159 Mike Tango, ident. Okay, radar contact 5 miles northwest, Sparta Airport, ramp September 3014. You said you're inbound to Butterworth? Station 6 Delta Juliet, do you check in? 60 guys still using 17, correct? 76, affirmative. Would you like that for departure? To maintain 5,000, expect vectors visual approach 8, right? Vectors visual 8, right. Back direct, thank you. Oh, 1297, turn left at Bravo. Bravo Victor depart, monitor ground point 8. Bravo Victor depart, ground point 8, United. 12.7. 576, contact Great Lakes, departure, good day. Good day, Leisure 576. Turn left at Papa, contact ground point 8. Oh, ground point 8, United 2637. Roger, uniform launch over to 50 uniform, where are you parking? Uniform, stay with me, taxi Juliet, Foxtrot, Golf, hold short of runway 17. Foxtrot, Golf, hold short 17, 46, contact Relix departure, good day.
Departure, you have a good one for care for the 846, directing up now.
Is that Uncle Logies?
No, he's got a little bit more time before his flight goes. He's probably going through security right now.
Contact ground plane. Flag, what's your name? For 258 Delta Victor, gonna have a tower. 5390, proceed direct Ingram and contact Great Lakes departure, good day.
And we're on departure, though.
Southwest 784, contact Great Lakes departure, good day, thanks for that. 784, whatever you want.
We should all take a picture together.
Turn left for the high speed, contact ground point 8.
High speed ground point 8, target for 3809.
That one, look, it's
3455, contact Relix departure, good day.
Relix runway 3455, see ya.
Contact Relix departure, good day. Latest departure, have a good day, American 1384.
yeah, that is.
523, turn left at Alpha 1, taxi Bravo, Victor to park, monitor ground point 8, good day.
Okay, Bravo, Bravo, Victor to park, we'll monitor ground south 523.
Requested.
But they just do that for speed.
5039, contact Great Lakes departure, good day.
Good day, Bishop 5039.
Turn left Alpha 1, contact ground point 8.
Alpha 1, ground point 8, reach 4498. It's 2751, visual 8 right.
2751, Grand Rapids Tower, wind 080 at 6, runway 8 right, clear to land.
Clear to land, 2751.
.38, contact Great Lakes departure, good day.
Let's see, 2138.
6 Bravo Alpha, any right turn, taxi via Juliet to Mayday, monitor ground point 8. Turn left at Alpha 1, take 8.
Left Alpha 1, we're going to Alpha 1.
419, roger, taxi via Bravo Delta Echo, monitor ground point 8.
Oh, Delta Echo, monitor ground point 8, get there for 19. Contact departure, have a good flight.
Have a good one, got 3809.
Direct on course to Charlie Romeo Lima, runway 17, clear for takeoff.
Alright, 10,000 feet now, direct on course, Charlie, Romeo, Lima, 17 are clear for takeoff, French flight 3476.
2745, contact departure of reflight.
Departure unit 2745, see ya.
Flight 3476, contact departure, have a good flight.
French flight 3476.
Tower 768, we're on the ILS runway 8 right.
Number 68 Grand Rapids, tower.
Quicker than anticipated. You can just continue runway heading and contact Great Lakes departure today.
Runway heading over to departure, Northern Jet 998, thanks.
Actually, it's flying 330 back to threat traffic. Okay, hotel.
Great Lakes departure, Northern Jet 998, 2,200, climbing 4,000, runway heading.
Double Golf is short of 08 right, ready for departure. Right, heading 270.
Yes, now current altimeter 3014.
Tell that traffic.